Santa Fe 3751 is a 484 Northern built by the Baldwin Locomotive Works in 1927. The engine operated passenger trains until it was retired in 1953. The engine was placed on display in Van Duct Park in San Bernardino. Then the park got flooded with 3751 on display. Then the San Bernardino Historical Society was formed to restore Santa Fe 3751 to operational condition. Then, on December 27, 1991, the restoration was complete. It ran with 2 EMD FP45s and 16 passenger cars. After this, it did many other excursions going around the globe. It operated on Amtrak trains, Metrolink trains, and even went to the Grand Canyon Railway to doublehead with their steam locomotive. As of today, it was recently seen pulling an Amtrak Surfliner train. See you in the next video.